Okay, what'd you do today?
Watched the movie with Melly.
What movie?
Alice in Wonderland.
Tell me about the movie. Tell me about the girl and the dog and the dragon.
Yeah.
Tell me.
The dog into a bad dog, and then the dog turned into a good dog, and then the dude on the dog, and
Then what?
and then the dog takes it to the panda toy, and then he takes the toy to the zoo. Some have a white stick on here, and then he got it back and piped his dad and head off.
Oh, was it a good movie?
Yeah.
Do you how many stars do you give it? Do you give it 4 stars? Yeah?
Yeah.
Should all your friends go see it?
Yeah?
Yeah?
Yeah, with me.
With you?
Yeah.
What movie are you going to see next?
I don't know.
You don't know? Who are you taking?